Hey everybody, this is Robert Hollis. I just wanted to jump in here really quickly. My first day of trading the video. Woohoo! So anyway, you can see that when I first got into the company, they gave me what, $5, $5 to join, and then I funded it with 1,000. So you guys can fund it with whatever amount you want. Maybe you just use the $5. So imagine this. Get with the person that shared this video with you and ask them for their Robinhood affiliate link. If there's not, mine will be posted below the video. So now, I got to give credit to Hannah Hollis, my daughter-in-law. She's the one that decided to have the courage and the braveness to just, instead of me and Matt or Matt always talking about how great this stock is, why not go ahead and purchase it? So my wife and I purchased it, I believe, around Friday, or set up our free account, did our driver's license, did all the things we need. And then we woke up this morning. And so, we woke up this morning and bam. So earned 2.5, 2.5%. So made a whopping what, $20? A little over $20 on our first day of trading. And here's the other thing that I want everyone to understand. There's a phrase called, when in doubt, zoom out. So if I went to year to date, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I got to click over here on NVIDIA. And then I'm going to go year to date. So year to date, if I would have invested back in, here it's at 475. So if I would just have invested at the beginning of the year, it would have went from 475 to 1,025. So what if it just does the same thing one more year? Where else can you do that? Where else can you make 128% of your money? Most banks don't give you anything. You can look at your statements, they don't give you nothing. If you put money in Robinhood, you'd at least get 5%, right? And again, I did this all from the Hannah inspiring me. Then we watched this money movie called Dumb Money. Well, let's go a year out. If we go a year out, now we look at 405 to 1,025. Let's go 5 years. 5 years out. You could have bought the stock at $36 and now it's 1,025. Why am I bringing this up? I can't promise anything. I'm just saying that making 2,400% on your money in the next 5 years might be a pretty cool thing. And I'm also going to talk about other, videos, like daily cost averaging. A lot of people say, you should invest at least 5 or 10% of your money that comes in a month. And so, you imagine setting up your recurring thing. Let's say that you make $1,000, right? That's $100. You only make $1,000 a month. That's $100. So then what you do is you take $100 divided by 30, and that's what you invest on a day-to-day basis. Because a lot of people don't realize that, that the real key is that it compounds. So it's not that you just make, it's not that you just made money, but what you do is, let's say that you made double your money. You put in $100 and you make 100 in a year. What people don't understand is geometric progression. Albert Einstein said the eighth wonder of the world is compounding. And so, so at the end of the year, you went from 100 to 200. But now the next year, you go from 200 to 400. Then the next year, you go from 400 to 800. So see, the longer it goes out, that's when you see this compounding effect, this geometric progression that happens. So I love and appreciate you. Again, get back to the person, create a free Robinhood app. For those of you in other countries, all you got to do is find why I do use Robinhood. Is it because it inspired the story of Raging Kitty? It'll be neat looking down the road where I can say, hey, I kept putting in, $10 a day, $20 a day, and now I have 34 million. But to be honest, if I looked and seen it creating where it was 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. So there's only one other thing for those of you that go, I don't have any money. Get this, you create a free account, you got $5. Hey, you know what I mean? So that takes away that excuse. But the other part is if you want to learn how to earn money, because if you watch Dumb Money, everybody wanted more money, more money, more money. They needed a way to sell things and put more money into this because they believed in it so much. And again, I am not a financial expert. You got to trust your own instincts. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but all I can do is what I've done my whole life, and that's actually be optimistic. I love being optimistic instead of pessimistic, and imagining helping other people experience a different thing in their life is just amazing. So it gives us hope that, hey, maybe some of us, I'm 62, can just retire with more money, so we have freedom and life like that. So if you want to know how to earn money to put into Robinhood, get back with the person that shows you this video. Have a great day, and if no one's giving you permission to succeed, let me be the first. It's funny, live video, and made another dollar or more since we've been on this video. Take care, and I believe in you.